Hey everybody, Jason Hatch here at Whitby Mazda, and I wanted to show off a car that's going to be delivered soon. I wish it was my customer, but it's not, but I have to show off. It's a 2018 Mazda 3 GT, and it's got the body kit on here that was put on with Mazda accessories here at the dealership. So if you take a look, the GT looks always fantastic as is, and this is a machine gray metallic. But if you look here, you can see it's got the bottom lip, and you can get this in the piano black, but this actually has the silver accent to it, and you've got to ask for that specifically if you want to get the silver accent added on the lower spoiler there. If we walk around, it's also got the side spoilers, and that goes right up like that. Looks fantastic. And it's got the rear lip here as well. Again, they requested to have the one with the silver accent on there, and there's another accessory on here. They put the trunk cargo protector on there, which is a really nice look with all of the chrome that's on here. Of course, it's got those beautiful GT wheels and beautiful GT interior with the leather. And as you can see, this one's been tinted, so they really did the whole look. One other thing they put on here was the side mirror skull caps. They've replaced that from body color to the black gloss. Looks fantastic. Anyways, had to show it off to you guys. If you're interested in getting that done to your car, whether it's something you're looking to get soon and have it done here at pickup, or if you want to get it done on a Mazda 3 you already have, let us know. I'll price it out for you and help you get it done. Thanks guys. Come by the dealership, say hi. I'll talk to you soon.